Hi, this is lab number 12 and we're gonna learn about Windows troubleshooting tool. And then first you want to use Windows 7, log in as sysadmin. So to open the Action Center and Troubleshooter, first we log in and then we click on Start. Search, we type in Action Center. Click on Action Center. And in the Action Center, you go scroll down to the bottom of this. You're gonna see Troubleshooting. Click on that. You want to click on View All. Then at the first one arrow, you want to right click and then run as administrator. You want to hit next. It's gonna detect the problem. Let's say that is update the driver for your video card. Hit next. And then it's gonna tell you the problem file that the video card driver doesn't support the arrow effects. Then right here you can see view detailed information. Click on that. You can see the issue, video card driver doesn't support the arrow effects. Let's say not fixed. You can hit next on it. And then that's all. You're gonna tell you everything about the error of it. You can close it. So second is managing processes with the task manager. So in here at the taskbar, right click on that and you will click on Start Task Manager. Click on that and you can look on task processes and you can see all the tasks that are processing. So you want to look for the Explorer, right click on that and then you can create a dump file. It's gonna say the file has been successfully created. So you can hit OK now. Yep, and then that's it. The third one, check system reliability. If a computer exhibits strange behavior over a period, you can use the reliability monitor to view your computer reliability and problem history. So to check on that, you go to Start, search for reliability. You can see right here, view reliability history. Click on that and it's gonna tell you everything. So it's gonna tell you everything about the system. If it have something wrong with the system, it's gonna have the X right here, or X right here, to tell you about the error of the system. The fourth one is examining event viewer. So Event Viewer is a tool that checks information about a momentous events on your computer. Event Viewer can be helpful when you troubleshooting problems and error with Windows and other programs, as well as hardware and security events. So to access the Event Viewer, click on Start and then you type in the Event Viewer and click on Event Viewer. And what you see when it's open, it pops up. So you can zoom it, and it's gonna tell us about the error, the warning, information, the audit success in here. So we want to see the error. We want to find one of this application. We see in the arrow, so it doesn't matter which one you choose, just double click on one of this. Okay, and it's gonna show you 3 arrow, the time that is the error happened, and then you can go back by this one. So in the left panel, you want to expand the window locks and then go to tab security. In here you see a lot of audit success, so just double click on any security specific event to display the detailed information. So I'm gonna double click on this, so it's gonna tell us the detail right here. Log name security source something. Alright, we can close it. So right now we can right click on that and then save this event. Okay, so the file, we can put the drive that we want it go to. So user set flash sysadmin flash event dot evtx, and you're gonna hit save. Okay, pops up the display information, hit OK for that. And then right now you open the file explorer. So in here, click on computer, go to C user sysadmin, see the event it create right here, and it has the information here for you. So that's how you use the event viewer to check and how to set the event viewer. So next is the 5th one, using the system configuration utility. Now I'm gonna close everything. So you click on start and then you type in ms config. Okay, click on this ms config, and this is the system configuration. You want to go to boot, and right here say Windows 7 current OS. You want to click on set boot and then click minimal boot lock, hit OK, and then restore. Okay, so we're gonna wait until the system finishing rebooting so we can log in back at sysadmin. So after this reboot, it's gonna boot up into the safe mode because we just choose the safe mode in the boot. So we want to log in as sysadmin. Okay. It's getting a little bit bigger than the normal screen, so just log in normally. Okay, this is the window. Oh, and it's getting real big. I'm gonna close it. So this is the safe boot with the minimal option. So this is the regular safe boot. So I just closed the Windows Help and Support. I don't know why when it's going to safe mode, everything getting bigger. So that's why everything is out of the screen. So you want to go into Start and you want to type in C window flash ntbt block.txt. Okay, and you want to click on file and you want to save as. So right here you wanted to save as C flash user flash sysadmin slash saboot dot txt, then hit on save. So after that you can start, and now I'm gonna click on start with msconfig. Go to boot. So you want to uncheck the safe boot and then hit OK, then hit restart. And restarting. So when the system reboot and we want to log back to sysadmin, so now the screen is back to normal. So log in as sysadmin. Okay, when we log in, want to hit to start and then start going to the links. C flash slash window flash ntvt log.txt. It's gonna show you this, and you can open another file. Click on start and type in C flash user flash sysadmin flash saboot and .txt. Hit enter. So it's ran the two notepad. This one. Okay. So this is how you could troubleshoot by and then identify the difference in driver load during the two separate system boot up.